Hello Flavour Chasers, and welcome back to another fun-filled episode of Flavour Station. That ain't all reserved. It's October, everyone's scraping out them pumpkins, munchkins. Yeah, we're gonna make us lovely spiced pumpkin soup. We're gonna carve a pumpkin, we're gonna make some soup, we're gonna make it tasty. Bing bang boo. Bing bang boo. Like and subscribe!
Flavour Station.
Right then people, it's Halloween. We've got Mike Myers, Jason Voorhees and that bird from The Exorcist coming round for dinner. We're going to carve a pumpkin. We're going to speed it up. We're not messing. Chopper, chopper. Now we're going to get all the scrapings and all the lovely bits for the soup. Don't waste it. Cut round the edges there. Yeah, nice big pumpkin, biggest pumpkin I've ever seen. Looks a bit weird, but let's just do it. Let's just pattern up. Yeah, just get all that flesh out. Lovely jubbly. Disregard the seeds. See it there? Chop it up. All that extra flesh, that's for the soup. Oh my days. Yes, man, look, there's bear there. I could have got more, but allow it. Yeah, I'm using a drill because I'm a bad boy. Man's a driller, you know. It's the only drilling I'm doing. I promote no violence. Yeah, and then you just cut out. Gonna make, what's it? Pete the pumpkin. Here he is. Pete the pumpkin. Let's not mess. There he is. Oh, I did two little carrots for the eyes. Pretty sick, I think. Nice. Now, the food. There's your chopped pumpkin. You're gonna need a carrot. You're gonna need some onion, half a chili. Let's just chop that dash that way. Lovely. About 4 bulbs of garlic, a spud. Yes, a shallot or onion. Either way, we're gonna chop all this. Rough chop. Spuddy buddy. Oh, he's so appealing, isn't he? Bless him. Now, we're peeling the veg because we don't really want to strain the soup, man. It's a quick thing. It's only Michael Myers. Top and tail your thing. Boom. Chop down there. Just rough semicircles. We're not messing about, man. It's Halloween. Yes, now we're gonna get our spud. We need to peel it. Sorry I flicked your spuddy buddy. Come back. Help me. Don't do that again to me. Peel your spud. Spud equals potato. Let's remember this. I don't call them potatoes. It's a spud. Just roughly chop. Doesn't really matter. We're gonna cook it to death and we're gonna just blitz it up anyway. Wipe down your dirty bomb, boy. Yeah, then you get your onion. Chop that. Peel that. Lovely jubbly. You've got a bit of red onion. Bit of shallot type onion. Wonky onion. Whatever you want to call them. Boom. Peel it. Peel it, look how that's coming off, satisfying. Just slice them, make a right mess, put that in your other bowl, and then boom, your garlic. You can't even, I can't express what garlic is to me, man, and chili. Look, it goes in everything. I'll have beans on toast with onion in and garlic in it, man. It's no messing. Big pan, the big something. The Dutchie, it's not a Dutch, but Philip up here. You man need to endorse me, you know. Yeah, big glug of that. The reason we use that, we're gonna gently sweat the spices. Idiot boy. We're gonna just sweat the veg, not cook it hard. And trust me, the olive oil will give it that lovely shine, lovely olivey flavour, and it will be beautiful. Trust me on this. It's Halloween. This ain't no trick. This is a full-on treat. Gently heat up that, release all the flavour from that chili and garlic. I could taste it already. I can literally taste it. You just want to just caress it. Just give it a little, oh baby. Yes, this is like M&S. See it bubbling away within that chili there. And the garlic just catching the little heat, and it's good stuff, man. Trust me. I'm telling you, I won't steer you wrong. Now, pumpkin in once you've released the flavour of that chili. When your eyes burn up from the chili and the garlic, it's time to add the pumpkin. That's all them little shards, rough as you like. Now, spices. Whoa, I'm telling you, pattern. Oh my God. Follow on Instagram if you want to see how I did this, but yo, mad thing. All-purpose seasoning, bit of mixed spice, that's your pimento, clove, all that. Couple of Baileys, let's not mess about. If you ain't got that, it don't matter. Just use the mixed spice. Use any spice, use paprika if you want. It doesn't matter. It's gonna be peng either way. Oh yeah, man. See how it's releasing all them little bits and bobs? Now, oh, the all-purpose, that's about a tablespoon. Mixed spice or allspice, whatever. Teaspoon, yeah, couple of bay leaves, one big one. It no matter. Stir it up. Stir it up, little darling, stir it up. Yes, man, toast the spices, you know, like cooking it on the heat with the little bit of olive oil with the veg, it releases all the flavors from the spices. Never just throw it straight into liquid, man. That is absolute sacrilege. What you want to do now, it's all warm, it's all, boil your kettle, boil the rotted. Now what you want to do, just cover your mother. Cover the cover the veg. Yes, man, just cover it. Boom, look at that. Oh, that bay leaf's gonna sing, baby. It's gonna sing. The singing soup, I should have called this. You want to simmer this for a good, I'd say 20 minutes, half an hour, man. If the water runs too low, add a bit more. It doesn't matter. Before we continue, subscribe. It's Halloween. We're not scary. We're lovely people. Subscribe. I need to pay my bills, god damn it. Now, 1 veg stock cube. 1 vegetable stock cube. No MSG though. Let's not cheat here. It'll just add that little seasoning, you know? Little bit of seasoning. No messing. Oh, look at it. See how the veg is starting to break away? Especially the pumpkins breaking away. Lovely jubbly. It's ready. Boom. Take it off. Remove your bay leaves. You don't want to blitz them up because you'll have to strain it. Long thing. See how it's squashing? Bang. Straight in my hand. Boom. Yeah, it's all you need. You can't see the bottom now. Hand blender. Tip your pan. Always tip your pan. So you've got a nice deep. Deep. Oh, yeah, baby. And you need a big pan. Tip it to the edge so you got a nice big well of soup. Look, straight away. Blitz, blitz. Yeah, man. Wires in the way. Not happy about that. Now, just taste it. Coat your spoon. See, look at the consistency. The shine from that olive oil. Oh, a little chili flake. And honestly, I put a bit of salt in there. Season to taste. Your taste. That's what it's got to be. No one else's. Look at that. Look at the consistency. Don't at me ever. Oh, you can keep your tin and your posh little plastic tubs what you get in the supermarkets. I like to make French stick. Oh, French stick. Sounds a bit rude. Like and subscribe. Don't even like, just subscribe. Do your thing. Mention in the comments if you got this far. I love you more than life itself. Drop a comment, say what I should do next. Jesus!
Flavor Station.